Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Hi. My name is Micah Brown. I'm the CEO and founder of Centiment, and I'm a visiting lecturer at City University, New York, in the fields of computational neuroscience and deep learning. This is Brad Jakeman. He's the head of Pepsi's advertising unit. He's a smart guy. He's a good guy. Very successful guy. He made this. It was a mistake. It was really, really stupid. I mean, like $40 million stupid. That's how much this ad cost Pepsi. Why? Because apart from the fact that it was racist, it wasn't built around emotional understanding. They conceived it in a room and they decided it was a good idea and then they sent it to the world based on that focus group. A small, biased, non-tested 1950s format of using anything to do something in the age of AI. Seriously? So we propose this. Very simple. We have neurocomputing today. We have emotive headsets. We have emotion AI chips. Why not use that data in the advertising industry to create unbiased, effective ads? That's what we do. Every $1 of ads budget that's spent, 50 cents of which is wasted. 50 cents. If you give me $100 million, I will give you back 50 million as an advertising agency. That's what they currently do. It starts with bad media strategy, bad campaigns and buying, and it results in bad results. When we know statistically that emotional advertising, dog videos and cat videos are 50% more effective. So who is this for? It's for the Brad Jakemans of the world. Yeah, ads are $83 billion. Yeah, advertising agencies are 23. We are making this for the Brad Jakemans to start top down to change the advertising industry instead of bottom up. Who are we? We're at the intersection of neuroscience, computational sentiment analysis, and programmatic advertising. All of those things combine to effectively change media strategy. One or the other would not do that. How does it work? That's complicated, so let me just talk about it for a second. If you have a friend who, is your mother or father or your Thanksgiving dinner partner, they're gonna know how to buy things that you like better than I would. I'm a stranger to you. That's what our technology does. It's reinforcement learning that's driven from human data. Specifically, we have 100 subjects that we scanned so far using emotive headsets. We're working on the resources to get research grade information. We've done a research grade study with the KUMC, Kansas University Medical Center, the Hoagland Brain Institute. Why does this matter? Because the use of human data in reinforcement learning intersects with reinforcement learning. Neural networks are built on human data. By intersecting them, you reduce bias, the pooling layers increase in efficiency, and computational efficiency is achieved. That then translates into better programmatic buying, better media strategy, better targeting that's not built on your last Amazon review or your Facebook post, on what you actually care about. How does our business model work? We have a 3-tiered SaaS model, which has made $72,000 of revenue to date, and then we have $100 million, that would be nice, $1 million of contracts lined up for 2018, and we hope in the future to integrate directly into the programmatic ecosystem, the Media Mass, the Google ad exchanges of the world. There's a whole bunch of information there, but we've been through a ton of accelerators. We've raised $200,000 to date. We have an open seed round of $500,000. So 5 proof of concepts show across scaled organizations, Sprint, Hewlett Hermes, and a number of other ones, that this does work. 50% of the budget that was given back to these organizations was seen as an increase versus what was given in the first place versus other techniques. We have the patents on something called neurosentiment, a combination of computational linguistics, computational neuroscience, and edge reinforcement learning. All of those things combine to be able to create language based on thought. We won 11th place at the MIT hackathon with this technology a couple of months ago. Who's the team? There's a bunch of PhDs up there, but to really kind of break it down, 5 of the leaders in the Western Hemisphere in the field of computational neuroscience: Dr. Daniel Pontillo, Wayne Carter, Ken Lang, and Dillian Albright. And these guys are on the PhD that I dropped out of last year, and they're investors in the company too. But more importantly, we also have people on the advertising side. This is important because, we're all data scientists here, we're all university people and whatever. If you can't contextualize this for ad executives in English, they don't care. I've learned that the hard way. And then the demo. So the biggest thing that's important about this, I've got 30 seconds left, is, I've talked a lot and we've seen what happens when you don't actually show a product. This is a SaaS tool with neurocomputing. You can literally, scroll down a bit. You can literally, in a very simple format, scroll down some more, please, thank you. In a very simple format, see how neurocomputing influences language across the entire web. 120 social sources, down a little bit more. And you can see what words to use in your Facebook ads, down a little bit more. And the entire web in the word cloud, down a little bit more. and useful psychographics. Now, I really want to make a point here in my last 2 seconds. This is easy to use. Ad guys need it to be easy to use to be less racist.